Hello everyone. Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, your destination for all things house design ideas. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. Today, we're exploring a topic that is as crucial as it is captivating: modern eco-friendly house design. This isn't about sacrificing style for sustainability. It's about building homes that are smart, beautiful, and in harmony with the environment. We're going to dive into the core principles of green architecture, and then show you 10 breathtaking homes that prove eco-friendly is the new standard of luxury. Modern eco-friendly house design, also known as green or sustainable architecture, is a comprehensive approach to building that minimizes the home's negative impact on the environment. The modern aspect refers to the clean, minimalist lines and open concept layouts that are a hallmark of contemporary design. The eco-friendly part is where the magic happens. It involves using sustainable, non-toxic, and recycled materials, optimizing for energy efficiency through passive solar design and advanced insulation, and incorporating renewable energy sources like solar power. The goal is to create a home that not only reduces its carbon footprint, but also promotes the health and well-being of its occupants, all while maintaining a high level of aesthetic beauty and functionality. The benefits of an eco-friendly home extend far beyond just being good for the planet. The most significant advantage is a substantial reduction in utility costs. By using superior insulation, energy-efficient appliances, and potentially generating your own power, you can see your energy bills drop dramatically. Secondly, these homes are often more durable and require less maintenance over time because they are built with high-quality, long-lasting materials. Third, a sustainable home can improve your health. They are built with non-toxic materials, have better air quality, and are designed to maximize natural light, which is proven to boost mood and productivity. Finally, building green is a great investment. Eco-friendly homes are in high demand and can have a higher resale value, offering a solid return on your initial investment. The exterior of an eco-friendly home is the perfect opportunity to showcase your commitment to sustainability. Focus on using materials that are naturally durable and beautiful. Reclaimed wood, bamboo, and sustainable concrete can be used to add texture and warmth. A living or green roof, covered with native plants, is a visually stunning feature that provides insulation and manages stormwater. Solar panels are no longer just a functional element. Modern, sleek black panels can be integrated seamlessly into the design. Think about the landscape, too. Using drought-tolerant, native plants and gravel pathways can reduce water consumption and create a low-maintenance, beautiful yard that blends with the local ecosystem. The key is to choose materials and features that are as functional as they are beautiful. Now, let's take a look at 10 incredible homes that prove you don't have to choose between luxury and sustainability. One, the cantilevered minimalist home. This stunning home features a clean, minimalist design with a dramatic, cantilevered upper level. The exterior is a simple, flat white, which contrasts beautifully with the warm wood siding on the underside of the overhang and on the second-floor balcony. The home has a flat roof and large, dark-framed windows. A small wooden deck with a built-in bench sits at the front, and the entire structure is surrounded by a lush, green lawn. 2. The dark and wooded retreat. This beautiful home is a perfect example of a modern, eco-friendly design that blends into its surroundings. The exterior is a mix of a clean, dark facade with large windows and a second, lighter-colored material, possibly wood or metal. The home has a complex roofline and a wide wooden deck with a simple wooden railing. The structure is nestled among tall trees, and the design is both sophisticated and at one with nature. 3. The biophilic hillside residence. This home is a perfect blend of natural materials and a modern design. The exterior features a mix of warm wood cladding and a clean, dark vertical siding. The home has a flat roofline and is built on a sloped, natural lot. A wide wooden deck with a glass railing extends from the front, offering a stunning view of the surrounding trees and hills. The large, floor-to-ceiling windows connect the interior with the outdoors. 4. The single-story woodland haven. This charming, single-story home is a great example of simple, elegant design. The exterior is a uniform, light-colored wood siding. The home has a flat roof and a large, recessed-covered porch with a concrete walkway. The large, black-framed windows on the front and side allow for abundant natural light. The home is surrounded by a low, well-kept lawn, and the design feels clean, modern, and inviting. 5. The rustic modern forest cabin. This home has a beautiful, rustic modern aesthetic. The exterior is a mix of warm, natural wood siding and a dark siding on the lower section. The home has a prominent stone chimney and a shed roofline. The upper level features a small balcony with a wooden railing, and a large window offers a view of the surrounding trees. The design feels cozy yet sophisticated and perfectly at home in the forest. 6. The clean white box. This home is a brilliant example of a minimalist and energy-efficient design. The exterior is a simple, clean white siding. The home is a single-story structure with a shed roof and a large, dark-framed sliding glass door on the front. A simple wooden deck extends from the front, and the home is surrounded by a grassy lawn and a few trees. The design is simple, elegant, and efficient. 7. The multi-volume poolside home. This stunning home is a perfect example of luxury eco-friendly design. The exterior is a mix of a warm, natural wood siding and a clean, light-colored material. The home is composed of several rectangular volumes with a flat roofline. A wide wooden deck extends from the front and connects to a large, rectangular swimming pool. The home is surrounded by lush green grass, and the design feels incredibly open and inviting. 8. The geometric hillside dwelling. This home is a true architectural masterpiece that uses geometric forms to create a unique living space. The exterior is a light gray and white, with multiple large windows and a flat roofline. The home is composed of several stacked volumes that create a dynamic facade. There's a wide wooden deck with a glass railing on the side, and the overall design is highly sculptural and modern. 9. The off-grid rustic retreat. This beautiful home is designed for a remote, natural environment. The exterior is a warm, horizontal wood siding with a dark metal roof. The home features a large, covered wooden deck with a glass railing and an inviting hot tub. The structure is situated on a rugged, natural landscape, and the design feels both rustic and incredibly modern. 10. The desert minimalist home. This home is a perfect example of how eco-friendly design can be adapted for a dry climate. The exterior is a mix of a dark, vertical siding and a light, horizontal wood siding. The home has a simple, rectangular shape with a shed roofline. A wide wooden deck with a concrete bench and stairs extends from the front, and the entire design is simple, efficient, and blends seamlessly with the desert environment. As you can see, modern eco-friendly homes are not just a trend, they are a smarter, more beautiful way to live. These designs prove that you can build a home that is good for your wallet, your health, and the planet, all without sacrificing an ounce of style. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.